Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is First Son Motif, and it's the season, y'all. Tis the season. It's Christmas time, and I want to jump into some Christmas music and some Christmas tutorials. So, I got a request to do this song. It's "Mary, Did You Know?" It's by my friend Tiffy, and she wanted me to do a tutorial on it. So. And I didn't know she sang. She said she want to sing with it. So I hope when I finish, she does a performance, and let me see how it came out. So I'm familiar with the song, but I'm not super familiar with this song. So the chords would definitely be right, y'all. But if I got the rhythm or the way it goes off a little bit, give me a little bit of grace. This is a Christian song. Okay, so here we go. It's in the key of D minor. So your first chord is gonna be. I'm gonna jump right into it. The intro. So it's gonna be a D minor. What a surprise. D D A D F. Your next chord is gonna be a C C C G C E. Then a G minor 7, G, F, F, A sharp, and A, D. And then you're gonna go to A sus4, A, G, A, D, E, resolve to a 7. All you're doing is moving that A down to G. And then same chords again. Let's see. Okay, so that's your intro. Sorry. And then next you're gonna go into your first verse, and it's gonna be pretty much the same thing. It's gonna be this D minor. Mary, did you? Ooh, that sounds so pretty. Why is it pretty in a minor though? I don't understand. It's just pretty. Y'all don't pay no attention. But D D A D and F. If you cannot play the octave, I've been playing for a while, so it's nothing for me. But if you can't, just play one of the D's. Especially if you're singing, you can just play that D. Or if you want more of a bass sound. Like the first time, maybe play that, and then the second time play. It is a kind of a stretch, unless you've been playing for a while. So Mary, did you know? C, 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 G, C, E. And then. Okay, so what you can do also too, like if you want more of the melody in there, yeah, let's do that. This D minor, D A D F A D A D F A G F. So I'm gonna go, Mary, did you know on a D minor, then go down to, when I get to the C, melody note, F, E. So, Mary, did you, right. G minor, E, G, A sus4, A7. Okay, so it'll be Second time. Then it's gonna go to Did You Know? It's gonna go a little bit higher. So it'll be this G minor 7, G, F, F, B flat, D, Did You Know? C minor, C7, F, C over E, D minor again, G minor 7, A sus4, A again. So let's do that part. So it'll be G, F, F, B flat and a D. Did you know? C7, C, C, E, G, B flat and a C. F, 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 C, F, A. E, E, C, E, G, C over E. D minor 7, D, D, A, D, F. G minor 7, G, F, D, F, A sharp. A sus4, A, E, G, D, A. Back to A7, then go back. Mary, did you? You play a little melody. Mary, do you know? Okay. Now, did you know? Okay. Now, and that's pretty much the verses. Now, let's look at that. I guess it's a bridge. Let's look at that part when it says the. Let me see if I can find it real quick. Okay, let's take a look at the bridge. So the bridge is the blind will see, the deaf will hear, the dead will live again. Okay. The lame will leap. Dumb will speak praises of the Lamb. So the bridge is B flat over D, 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 F, B flat and A sharp and D. Keep the D and just put G, C, and E, D minor, A, D, and F. Back to the C with D in the bass. Back to the, see the D stay the same in F, A sharp and D in the right hand. And then I think it plays it again. And you come out with this A7, and then you go back into the Mary, did you know part. Okay, so it's a fairly easy song. I hope you're able to get it. If not, just leave a comment in the section below, and I'll be able to explain something that I may have left out or you're not understanding. So Merry Christmas, y'all. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for your support. And I'll get back with you on the next one. Thank you. Peace.